Primetime News this evening. Education Ministry ramping up initiatives to tackle school violence. Police kill 4 men in alleged gun battle. And no need to panic. Health specialist seeks to allay fears associated with AstraZeneca vaccine.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome to viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Andrea Chisholm is here.
Janella, we're talking about renewable energy this evening. Caribbean Broilers is set to roll out a multi-million US dollar solar project. What does that mean for the company? The answer to that and more later in the business day.
Thank you, Andrea. And Jermaine Brown, what's up in sports this evening?
I'll tell you, Archie, well, it seems a few options are being considered for Jamaica's men's 4x400 meter relay team to qualify for the Paris Olympics. This follows their dismal showing at the World Relays over the weekend. We'll tell you about those options later on.
That dismal was really emphasized.
And that's what I'm saying. I thought you were going to say Jermaine Brown in the brown suit. But anyway, Romaine is also here with a preview of what's to come in the weather report.
In the brown suit.
In the brown suit as well. Romaine?
Thank you so much. Now, we do have some isolated thunderstorms still slated for most of this week, but more of this activity is expected to be concentrated across western parishes.
I'm sorry, that's incorrect. I'm being told that's TAN. There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what was your experience after taking the COVID-19 vaccine?
This should be quite interesting. You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.